Hi, my name's Rachael Barton from A to Z Business Consultants. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 tips for having a good LinkedIn profile. So first of all, it's important that you need to determine your purpose. So why are you going to be using LinkedIn? Is it to get a new job? Is it to build your business? Is it to build your personal brand? Is it to take charge of your digital footprint? What is your main reason for using LinkedIn? So first of all, once you've determined that purpose and you've got your objective, then you'll have a better view of what you're going to do in terms of your communications, in terms of your marketing, in terms of your sales, and it will really guide you while you're filling in your profile. That brings me to my number 2 point. You need to fill in your profile properly. So what I mean by properly is just take the time to populate the sections that are crucial. So your crucial sections are definitely your photo, your headline, your work experience, and going down from there, making sure that you've got some good media attached to your profile. It's really important to be engaging when you're dealing on digital media platforms, and the best way to engage is video. If you sort of move back from video, then you've got photos or images, and then you go to text. So number 2 is to fill in your profile properly. Now, number 3, really good strategy to help you fill in your profile properly is to choose some keywords. So these keywords are going to be good descriptors for what you are and what you're trying to portray in your LinkedIn profile. So if you're going to be selling a product and the product or service is in a niche industry, then you might want to have one of those niche industry terms or a couple of terms in your headline. So when people are searching for someone who is selling that particular product or service in their LinkedIn advanced search, then your name will be one of the first people that will come up, so they will reach out to you. If you're a job seeker and you're looking to be found for a job as a managing director, you might want to make sure that you've got managing director and synonyms for managing director as your keywords, so you're found when people do a search for that. So that is number 3 tip. Number 4 is have a professional photo. Don't have a picture of you holding a fish or you on a island enjoying an iced tea. It's a longer island iced tea. Don't have something that is not related to your work environment. Have you in the way that you would appear in your day-to-day work environment. And number 5, last but not least, have skills, recommendations, and endorsements attached to your profile. We deal a lot these days with the online world, and in the online world, there's a concept called social proof. Now, you will have come across social proof in many things that you've done through your lives. It is basically just the proof from a group or a community that a particular product or service is worthwhile. So rating systems, reviews, things like that on different travel sites. We've seen these kind of things before. That sort of social proof that is provided through your endorsements and your recommendations helps to back up what you're claiming that you can do through your experience and headline and summary. And it really serves as a purpose, if you're selling a product, to help people believe that, yes, you can do what you say you can do. And if you're looking for a job, then it acts in exactly the same way. A good tip for recommendations and for endorsements is to, oh, hello, cat, there's my cat, is to have your supervisor or someone who you've reported to in the past give you that recommendation or give you that endorsement, because that serves as even greater proof that that someone that you've reported to is actually recommending you for that particular skill, task, service, or product. Okay, so they're my top 5 tips. Thanks very much for spending time with me today. As I said, I'm Rachael Barton from A to Z Business Consultants. You can subscribe to the channel, or you can send me an email if you're interested in having any more further conversations or have any questions about this particular video. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.